I'm on the farm in central Otago. It is a stunning autumn day. Today we are going to cook this Chipotle Bacon and Corn Chowder. This is a beautiful, warm, comforting autumnal dish, and the great thing about it is that you can cook it all in just one pot. This chowder uses Freedom Farms streaky bacon. Like all of the meat that we use in my food bag, it's always free farmed or free range, and it's always from New Zealand, nothing imported. The bacon's nice and crispy, so set that aside. Let's dice an onion and a capsicum. In goes the capsicum. Add in some flour. Once the flour's cooked out, which takes about a minute, we can add our milk. So I've got 2 cups of milk, and you just want to add about half a cup at a time whilst you're stirring it, and that way you won't get any lumps. And now 2 cups of water. And in goes the corn and some chipotle sauce. This chipotle is going to give it a nice smoky, spicy kick. This is starting to smell really good. To give the chowder a bit of luxurious creaminess, I'm adding some sour cream. So now it's time to serve up. So just load your bowls up with some chowder, and then we've got some yummy toppings to go on top. So we've got the crispy bacon, we've got some spring onions, some jalapenos, a bit of lime to squeeze over, and if you wanted, you could put a bit of extra chipotle sauce. Toasted bread on the side, spoon, that's all we need. This is gonna be a winner with the whole family. Oh, yum. So good with the chipotle in it.